When I was little, maybe like 5 or 6, somehow, whatever came to my mind, I decided that I have to have an attitude towards mangoes. And I told my parents I don't like mangoes. So whenever mango season will come and go, a couple of years it happened, nobody will offer me any mango because they knew, oh, he doesn't like mangoes. So then one day I did some introspection. Said, let me try. I don't think I even know how mango tastes. So from the discarded peels and stuff that were sitting in a bowl and they were supposed to be thrown away, I said, let me taste the mango. And it's true. It happened. So when I tasted the peels, I said, wait a minute, I'm so stupid. I am missing out on such a good thing, a good fruit in life. So I declared that, you know what, now I like mangoes. And that was probably one of the best decisions I made in my life because I love mangoes. So today's episode will be, just how to cut and present mango. Look, here's a mango. Nice, a Tulfo mango. Maybe one of the 2 or 3 kinds we can get in the United States of America. We're not as fortunate as people who live in India or Maharashtra where they get nice Alfonso mangoes. But here, this is the best one we get. So we're going to try to make a delicious cut out of that. Let's try. So first thing we do here is cut it from top. Look at that. Nice mango. And we're going to make another cut on the other side. Here it is. So how can we serve this mango that it can do justice to its taste, deliciousness, and everything? So we're going to make a dinosaur out of this one. To do that, we take this paring knife and make little cuts on it. Paring knife is very beautiful because you can feel its cut without cutting through the skin. So I can feel its touch in my hand, but yet the skin is totally uncut. Then I make another round, just a little opposite, where I make little cuts here. And once you make these cuts, this baby is ready to become a dinosaur. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? So I'm going to put it to the plate. And dinosaur is good because you can serve it with a spoon and someone can eat it. But with this other half, I'm going to show another trick. How you can make a simple cut and that will be very easy on somebody eating it. So let's see. So what you do is you take a little thing, and since this is a paring knife, you make a little paring cut on it. And then last but not the least, my favorite is the seed, because seed has got nice meat around it, or rather mango around it for vegetarians. So we have that, and this can be eaten as well. So we can serve all of it on a plate, and people can pick what they like to eat. And here we have it. What goes really well with mango is a little mint. So here's our dish.